We have made it known in our previous presentations that there are 7 worlds, from the world of God to the physical world. And human beings have bodies or vehicles that connect to each of these 7 worlds. At the moment, the evolution of humanity is being carried out in only 3 of the 7 worlds. It is the spirit, differentiated in God, that is making the journey to become God-like, to become a creative intelligence, that is 1, and also to add value to the Godhead, that is 2. We show this by this depiction. The ones in the Greek colored shows the various worlds in which the spirit is journeying consciously at the moment, or the 3 worlds in which the evolution of the spirit is being carried out: the physical one, the desire one, and the world of thought. Those are the 3 worlds in which the evolution of humanity is being done at the moment. It means there are 4 other worlds that are not being used at this moment. When we work in any of these worlds and the world comes to an end, the spirit drops the body that it is using and progresses to the next world. It uses the next appropriate body in that world. The mind is the last of the material bodies that the spirit is using, and it comes after the spirit has dropped the dense body, the vital body, and the desire body. It is the spirit that lives, and the spirit is deathless, just like God himself. But in the journey to become like God, the spirit has to go through experiences, gathering a lot of experiences in the various worlds, just as a person will have to go through lessons and schools in order to become a professor. So every human being is a reflection of God, and God is spirit. But the various worlds in which the spirit journeys may be seen as the crystallized bodies to afford the differentiated spirits the needed environment to develop. What are the forms of death? Since the spirit is making journey through the various worlds and it drops bodies pertaining to each of these worlds, what then do we mean when we talk about death, and what are the forms?
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over.